Welcome, beautiful people. Let's get to know how I made this simple watermelon juice. I hope you will love it at the end of this video. Hi guys, hi beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's corner, our corner, your corner. So guys, here I'm gonna be making, as you can see from your screen, I have a very big watermelon here, and I'll be making watermelon juice out of it. And here is lemon that I'll be using alongside the watermelon juice. So what I need is just the watermelon and our lemon. So guys, I'll go ahead to start off. But before I start off, if you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you. You are the right place, and please don't stop watching. Watch this video to the end, and if you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment for me at the comment section. And yes, to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always being part of this family. And to my new subscribers, I assure you a good time on this channel. Anytime you come across this channel or anytime you visit my channel, you will learn one or two. You will be glad you did. So guys, let's dive into the video proper. So I'll be cutting open my watermelon right now. So let's see that when it was being bought, they have to open it to see if it's good enough. So guys, I want to cut right now. So guys, I'll go ahead and start cutting into a bit so I can be able to process it and collect the juice out of it. A lot of persons will peel it. They'll just go ahead to peel straight up. But it's optional. It's what you like, you do. So this is how I can do my own. I decided to cut that. I hope you can see. Let me go ahead and process this. After processing, I can go ahead to cut open our lemon and then squeeze out the juice, add to it. So we'll see how it tastes when I'm done. Okay guys, this is our watermelon juice. As you can see in here, no particles because I have to sieve. I have to sieve after blending, so no particles here. It's just the juice. So I'll go ahead and cut open a lemon, squeeze out the juice. I also sieve to take away the seed. I'll squeeze it out to take away the seed. Then I will pour it into a watermelon juice. So guys, let's go with that. Let's keep this one, set this one aside, and then go on to cut open our lemon. So it has been washed already. I washed properly, so I'll just go ahead, cut open, and then squeeze out the juice. I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. There's not much liquid in it, but it's okay. By the time I'm done squeezing out all of the lemon, I will get the amount of juice that I want to pour into our watermelon juice. So guys, you can see this one is enough for me. I cut out 3 out of it, so I think it's okay for me at the moment. So here it is, guys. Here it is. I'll just pour it in, and that is it. That is it, guys. Our watermelon juice is ready. Watermelon juice mixed with lemon juice. It is ready, guys. It is ready. Okay guys, I present to you my watermelon juice, and as you can see, like I said earlier, I have watermelon and lemon juice here. And guys, as it is right now, I don't have any sweetener in it. It's optional. If you want to add any sweetener, you can go ahead to add honey, and if you feel it's sugar you prefer, you can add your sugar. Honey would have been preferable, so I would advise you add honey. Like mine, there's no honey. I added the remaining 2 lemon off camera because it was not sour enough for me. So if you want it that sour, you can add more lemon, and if you want it mild, okay, it's optional. So you just keep tasting until you get to the taste you want how you want it to taste. Yes guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this healthy drink that I just made. And yes, until I upload a new video, I say a big thank you to you all. I appreciate you all, and thanks for watching. Thank you all guys for watching. Until I upload a new one, catch you guys in my next video. Chinelo signing out. Bye bye.